If your Frigidaire dishwasher is acting up, say it's not starting, draining, or responding properly, a hard reset can often resolve minor glitches. The process depends on your model, but here's a general guide for 2025 Frigidaire dishwashers, like the Gallery or Professional series. First, power off the dishwasher at the circuit breaker or unplug it for 5–10 minutes to clear the control board's memory. If it's a built-in model and unplugging isn't feasible, locate the breaker in your home's electrical panel. After restoring power, press and hold the cancel or drain button, varies by model. Check your manual for 3 to 5 seconds to reset the control panel. For models with a digital display, like the Frigidaire 2479SF, try entering diagnostic mode, press high temp wash and dry simultaneously for 5 seconds until lights flash, then press cancel to reset. If the dishwasher has a touchpad, ensure it's not locked. Hold the lock or control lock button for 3 seconds to unlock. Check for error codes, e.g., PF for power failure, on the display and consult the manual for specific fixes. If the issue persists, inspect the door latch and wiring harness for faults, as a loose connection can mimic a need for reset. Always refer to your model's manual, available at Frigidaire.